Hey there, fellow nature enthusiasts and foodies. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might just change the way you view your garden. I'm talking about those pesky weeds, the ones we often try to eradicate. But what if I told you they're not just nuisances but potential culinary delights? Let's explore this unique perspective and uncover some tasty secrets. Imagine a garden, not as a pristine, weed-free zone, but as a vibrant, wild mosaic of edible greens. It's a different approach, one that challenges traditional gardening norms. You see, many of these so-called weeds are not only edible but also incredibly nutritious and delicious. Take hairy bittercress, for example. Despite its unappetizing name, this plant is a hidden gem. With its rapid growth and love for disturbed soil, it's a common garden visitor. But when picked young, it adds a refreshing tang to salads or sandwiches. It's like nature's secret ingredient, waiting to be discovered. Then there's the infamous stinging nettle. Yes, it's true, we've all felt its sting as kids, but as adults, we can turn the tables and enjoy this gourmet plant. With a little care, you can harvest its growing tips and young leaves, and trust me, the flavor and texture are worth the effort. It's a true superfood, surpassing even spinach in nutritional value. Chickweed, with its gentle name, is another delightful surprise. Its crisp, pea-shoot-like qualities make it an instant favorite. And let's not forget fat hen, another delicious interloper, and of course, the humble dandelion, a celebrated salad leaf across Europe, despite its mild diuretic effects. Now, I find it fascinating how a simple shift in perspective can transform these despised plants into a bonus crop. It's like nature's way of providing for us during that hungry gap between winter and spring harvests. It's a sustainable, convenient solution, right under our noses. As I clear ground and sow radishes, feeling the sun on my neck, I can't help but appreciate the abundance of weeds by my side. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most unexpected things can bring the greatest joy and satisfaction. So, the next time you see a weed, remember, it might just be a delicious, nutritious treat waiting to be discovered. It's all about perspective, and I think that's what makes this topic so intriguing. It challenges our assumptions and invites us to explore the hidden potential in the natural world. What do you think? Are you ready to embrace the edible weeds in your garden? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening and happy foraging.